welcome to QURO Kids, your magical friends.
I woke up to a world so white, snowflakes dancing in the morning light, boots and mittens, coat just right, ready for a snowy delight. Crunch, crunch go my happy feet, snowflakes falling oh so sweet. Roll it big, then roll it small, make a snowman nice and tall. Give him buttons, scarf and nose, and a purple hat, now there he goes. Round and round we laugh and spin, a snowy day with my snowman friend. Angels twirling side by side, joy and sparkle we can't hide. Lantern glowing soft and bright, warmth and wonder in the night. Fresh cold air and rosy cheeks, we played and laughed for snowy weeks. But before I leave